This is an extremely important step because it is the only 3D data used to formulate your treatment. Generally, a polyvinyl siloxane material, or PVS, is used. Due to properties of the material, it is important that non-latex gloves, such as nitrile or vinyl, are used, as to not inhibit the setting process. Adequate materials are laid out in preparation for the impressions, and after determining the correct tray size, the putty material is mixed by hand and pushed firmly into the tray. Any excess is removed so that no material goes down your throat. A shallow well is created by hand to hold the light body PVS. The light body material is used to capture the gingival margins and detailed areas of the teeth. Notice how the light body is being extruded into material as to prevent any air bubbles that may prevent an accurate impression. It is better to have the lower arch done first. It is usually more comfortable. The tray is placed into the mouth in one motion, being careful not to seat it too far down to touch your teeth, and holding it steady as to prevent any distortions. The putty material may be pushed up against your back teeth manually to help obtain an accurate imprint. After the lower arch has been completed, it is time for your upper impression. Notice that the material is still placed in a horseshoe shape, just like for the lower impression, to prevent gagging due to excess material. Depending on the type of material, setting times may vary from a minute to a couple of minutes. Your impressions are then inspected to make sure there are no air bubbles or distortions. The putty material comprises the majority of the impression, while the light body material outlines the gum line and the detailed areas of the teeth. Show-through of the tray is acceptable if it is less than a square millimeter as present on the upper right second molar. The final part of impressions is the bite registration using either light body or putty material. It captures the way your teeth bite together so that technicians know how your models should occlude. Make sure you bite down on your back teeth in your regular bite without protruding or retruding your lower jaw for an accurate impression. It is also important to keep your teeth together until the material has firmly set. The impressions and bite are then sent off via UPS for digital scanning.